What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Cooks. We are back for another video out in Long Beach. Yeah, we're gonna see how it goes, man. I still need to buy some presents and stuff. Apparently I'm a little bit late. But yeah, let's go see what's up. Alright, 30% off entire store. I need to find something, dude. I need to find something. Let's go. One of our favorite signs. Oh man, line's long as hell here. Maybe they got a bunch of stuff. Been spending most of my time in the 9.5, 10s. Lately, Air Max 90s right here. These are some Gore-Tex ones. Oh damn, look at that leather on top. I don't think I've ever seen Air Max 90s with leather like that on top. Holy cow. Yeah, that looks very, very leathery. Wow, that looks dope, dude. Looks dope. Regular price though, size 10. Zumax Zagama Trails 160. Awful debuts, man. Seen these a bunch down to 120. Wow. Max 90. These are some Terra Escapes. These go for size 140. That's 11.5 though. Well, I don't know why that's in the size 10. Air Max 90s. We saw this going for hella cheap at, is it orange or something? I don't know. But regular price here, $100. Tons of these everywhere. I thought this was a Dornbeck or something. I was like, is it a Dornbeck or no? No, Zoom Freak 4s. Dang, I can't believe these are already at the outlets. $130 retail. But you get that 30 off though. Size 11, $210 for these. Alpha Flight Next Percent. Size 11, dude, got some trainers. The Air Trainer 1s go for retail though. Damn, I don't even see no 10.5 today. Terra Kikers going for 70. What are these? Vaporfly Next Percent 250. We're moving up to the huge sizes, size 13s. There's just not really much today. Air Force 1s. Nike by Use 140, size 14. 5 size 13. Going for 100. Another colorway go for 90. Tempo Next Percent Flying it. And it's going for what, $95? All running shoes today for the big feet guy. Dude. Invincible Run Finance go for 75, size 15. Air Max 90s go for 140, size 13. Not much, man. Not much with these Alpha Flies. Alpha Flies go for 125. Wow, 125. Big feet gang got one sale or one steal. Should have known when I saw this right here, man. All right, we are checking the aisles now. That is one of the cheapest I've ever seen. Soldiers, Max Auras, they're J's. Nobody's looking for. Westbrook Take 1s. This is Westbrook's budget line. Zoom Freak 4s. Paul George 6s. Kyrie Flytrap 5s. Fitness 6s. Soldiers. Braun 9s. Man, didn't we just see this for like $2 somewhere? Yeah, go for $70 after a discount. Wow. Air Force One mids. This is Quick Strike. SB Tron 2s. Ninja Freeze. Blazer mids. SB Ice Shod wears. Trio of Hirachis. Okay. Kill Shot 2 leathers. Air Force One Crater Flyknits. I also have that Crater Foam, super light. Still coughing, got a ton of cough drops in my mouth. Moabs, Air Max 2017s. Another one of those. Questionable color right here. Questionable because I have no clue what color it is. Got some, charcoal. Okay. I got the lighter ones. Vapor Max Flyknits 2021. Metcons, free Metcon 3s. Air Max 2090s. 270s. Another one of those. Air Max 90s. What colorway is this one? Oh, white and black. That one? I don't know. So I'm so confused. Oh, it's all white ones. All white ones. Didn't we just see this one for cheaper? Oh, it's a nylon version though. Air Max 95s. Another one of those. Air Max Flyknit Racers. Trainer 1s. On ours. Alright, I got here late. And there's just not much, man. Slim pickings. That's what some people would say. All right, let's go check out the women's, I guess. Checking the bigger sizes in the women's. We got some Air Max 90s. Pretty decent price. Pretty decent price. 70 after the sale. Not seeing much in the bigger section though. 110 for these. We got the Joe Burrows right here going for $35. These are size 11. This is Trail 3s going for 70. Size 12 going for $100. OGs, what the OGs going for? Oh, for retail? There's no way. Oh, we got the platform blazers right here going for 70. These are 10. Air Force platforms right here. Oh, Court Vision platforms, my bad. I don't know what price though. Damn, checking the smaller sizes, size 9. Damn, really? Really? 8.5. $110 for these Air Max 97s. Pegasus 38s. 120. What the regular price? And man, they're really trying to get rid of these apparently as well. Air Force Ones, all black, go for $90. Size 7.5. Like these are the only things that we see here. Like, there's just not much, dude. $180 for those silver bullets. Dang, women's section extra boo boo. Just got nothing. Kids section at least got some Zions right here. Little posits. That's it for the women's. Damn, dude. Oh, we got Technos, 270s, Air Max 90s. We saw this in the clearance section. Oh no, this ain't even it. That's the Futuras. Oh my goodness, this is awful. This is awful. All right, they do got some women's Air Max 97s, 2017s, couple of colorways, 2090s. Another one of those. And that's it, dude. The Air Max Bella trainers. I don't know what the hell this is. Yeah, no, that's it, dude. That's it. That is the deal. We have been seeing LA Rams hoodies. This is an XL going for $85. You get 20, then 30 off. All black hoodie going for $30. This is a size small though. Damn, $30 and then 20 off and then 30 off. That's not too shabby. This is a Jordan, a peach Jordan hoodie going for $81. Normally $150. Ooh, this is pretty dope. This is a double XL though. Golden State Warriors warm up. Is this like a warm up? Because it's a short sleeve. It is a short sleeve. $175 down to $130. Wow, wow. Just a blank San Antonio jersey. Yep, triple XL. Dang. Other than this hoodie right here, we're just really not finding much. $85. That's a large. They've had it in small, mediums. I'm looking apparently everybody else too, because man, Brotherly Love, City of Brotherly Love, go for $60. That is a large. Apparently everybody else has been scouring this because man, discounts are heavy, but man, selection is light. Hawaii t-shirt or Hawaii shirt go for $37. Normally $60. Fleece shorts go for $25. That is hella cheap. This is a medium. These are hella comfy. I have the exact same color. Golf pants right here. Those are going for $43. That's actually a really good deal. 38 by 30 though. Not really seeing too much. Some khaki golf shorts. I know like the golf stuff goes for a ton of money. You can definitely find some deals. $27, normally $65. Remember, you do get that extra discount. So not bad. Not seeing too much. Man, I want to stop by the Torrance outlet. I kind of need to go home though. Got some stuff going on apparently now. I think we're done. I think it's gonna be a short vlog, man. Like, damn, man, vlogs are getting shorter and shorter. I'm finding less and less. All right, guess I'll get my ticket validated and get out of here.